I'm Ivy. I renovate and develop properties, and this is my home. So I love renovating period homes. I love the aesthetics, I love the charm and the romance of the look and feel of them, but I'd like to breathe new life into them and bring modern technologies into the houses. I think it's really important for a home not only to be beautiful, but really comfortable to live in. And I guess, bringing in lots of natural light and using great and modern technologies through appliances. So I think every project has a different style for me, but what I like to focus on is the feeling that the house brings to the occupants. And it's a sense of calm and homeliness that I think is really important. We do that through, again, natural light, a certain palette that is, very restful, and a flow that just kind of makes sense. So when I was doing my first project as owner-builder, I had very little experience, I had no contacts, and I really didn't know what I was doing. And I found that a really challenging experience. And that's when I found BuildHer Collective. BuildHer Collective help women who want to renovate their own homes or develop for profit. And they do that through education, sharing of knowledge, and community. So, for example, there's great online courses there. We do real life events. There's a fantastic online community on Facebook and Instagram. There's podcasts, and there's even a book that's been published. So, when I was renovating this house, I asked the women in the BuildHer community what their recommendation for the best range hood on the market was. And several of them recommended Schweigen silent range hoods. They told me that it was silent, yet very powerful, and that is definitely what got my interest. When you're doing a kitchen renovation or build, firstly, I think it's really important to get the layout right to suit your family. For me, I've kept the island completely clear so that it's a great space for kids to do homework or for entertaining. And I've kept the sink and the range hood in the back, away from the island. Secondly, I think choosing materials for longevity and ignoring trends is really important. Thirdly, it's really important to think beyond how just the space looks, but how it feels. So we're in an open plan living area. We're cooking, we're eating, and we're living all in the same room. So, for example, having a silent range hood really makes a difference.